Hit it a couple times. Go ahead, hit it. Hello everyone, this is Chris with Secret Fab. Today we're going to be installing acrylic lenses on our 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser right here on the fog lights. This was mainly going to be for 1958 owners who didn't have the white and yellow combo rigid fog lights down here in the bumper. You guys just have the white only. So I was going to make these yellow covers, but when I was cleaning my rigid lenses off, I noticed they were kind of soft and they felt kind of thin and they scratched a little easily. So since I'm already going to drill these little holes right here, I'm going to put clear lenses on mine, and then I'll still retain the white and amber function. Just to compare, this is what it looks like over here. You have that indentation right in there. And we're just going to drill 2 little pilot holes, and then we install these black Torx screws right in there. I'm going to show you guys how to get this done. It's really simple, and I went for the screw in method because this is actually curved a little. I tried some adhesive and I knew that eventually you would have to clean these lenses if you actually submerge the whole thing in water. So you can easily pull these back out, clean your lens and pop them back in, protect your fog light housings, and make this bumper just a little bit smoother. All right, gals and girls, let me show you what you're going to get first. You're going to get 2 pieces of acrylic. That's going to be your lenses. You have little holes already cut in them, and you're going to take off the backing when you're ready to fully install it. This paper will protect both sides in transit. So go ahead and line it up just so you can feel that out where it sits, and then go ahead and remove the backing so you can see through it. So you can double check your alignment before you try to make a pilot hole. I would recommend going for the pilot hole method. I am limited with the amount of tools that I have up at my office. I would even consider using a little punch to mark the holes and then removing the acrylic and just drilling into that. Also, you need a T20 Torx because I give you these black Torx screws. And you'll have 4 of those because each side uses 2. So go ahead and put that back up against there with a very small drill. Go ahead and line it up and drill your pilot hole. Ideally, I would be using a smaller bit in the beginning and then move on to a larger bit. Like I said, you can use a punch as well just to mark this spot. So that's enough. We just need to mark the location before we go in deeper. I'm going to put the lens down gently. I don't want to scratch the inside or really even make it dirty. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit deeper. I'm not going too deep. Once you're done, go ahead and get the shavings off of there. Clean that up just a little bit. Take your lens and just gently screw those in. Just enough to grip it. Then grab your Torx wrench, the T20, and screw it in all the way. Now, this is just using tension and going through plastic, so don't over spin it. Don't use too much force. Just enough force to hold it in. Because you want to be able to install this, take it off, clean it out, reinstall it as many times in the future as you see fit. And there you go, it's all installed. That's how easy it is. All right, there's the finished product on the passenger side. Of course, since we have this dual light function, like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna swap this back out to clear, protect that up, and make a nice clean lens in the fog light area, just like you have your headlights. They have a lens over them, fog lights will have a lens over them. So for more products like this, please visit our website at stickerfab.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser.